equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, you will see the cable connected to the motor. Take a moment to inspect the cable for any signs of wear or damage. If you find any, it's time to replace it. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable close to the motor connection. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding wires. With the old cable removed, take your new replacement cable and strip the ends to expose the copper wires. You will need to connect these wires to the motor. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, connect the wires from the new cable to the corresponding terminals on the motor. Ensure that the connections are secure and that there are no exposed wires. Once connected, gently tuck the wires back into the casing. Next, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight and secure to prevent any issues during use. Before you finish, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your Dyson. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Once everything is back in place, plug your Dyson HD01 back into the power source and test it to ensure the new cable is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. With these steps, you should now have a fully functional Dyson HD01 with a new cable, ready to tackle your cleaning tasks with ease. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.